bored with your life?
Are you tired of your daily routine?
Do you want your friends to call you cool and adventurous?
Then look no further.
And don't change the channel.
Introducing the Polar Plunge.
Located in the beautiful Bahamas.
The average roller coaster is only 200 feet high at its maximum point.
But the Polar Plunge is 240 feet at its tallest point.
Wow!
The Polar Plunge is an Arctic wonderland in the Bahamas.
Expect it to snow during your ride when you plunge into complete darkness in our underground snow tunnel.
Where else would you get to experience winter? In the Bahamas.
Hey Allison, don't forget to tell the folks at home about the smooth ride.
Let's talk to our mathematics experts to get the scoop on the amazing flow of this coaster.
Thank you, Allison. When designing this roller coaster, we decided to use calculus. Well, because we had to. We chose a family of functions to begin, such as a conic or a quadratic to begin, rather than a complete equation.
Next, we took the derivative of the basic function and set it equal to the derivative of the previous equation. Let's show you an example. The famous climb to the top of the drop.
After we came up with a quadratic function, we decided to transition into a sine function. So, we decided on an x value to switch our functions at, and using the original family of functions, we set their derivatives equal to each other.
However, we had to make sure that we did not alter the previous function. We started with the standard form of sine. Y equals a sine of bx plus c plus d. Leaving b as 1 and using 4 for a, we found c.
Remember, at this point there is no d, as it is in its derivative form.
We discovered c to be 6.42477. Plugging this c back into the original function and setting the original function equal to the previous original function, the parabola, we found d, which turned out to be 3.9999944.
Using this process, we ensure the derivatives are equal, making the functions differentiable.
Now to check for continuity. We set the original functions equal to each other using all of the variables we found. Plugging the x that we chose earlier into both functions, we checked that the y values were the same for each, meaning it is continuous.
In this process, we determined differentiability and continuity to make sure your ride is as safe as possible.
Wow, thanks mathematicians. You sure are smart. I wonder who taught you all of these wonderful and useful processes.
You must have an amazing teacher.
Let's tune in to our live camera feed on the roller coaster right now to see what our riders think of the Polar Plunge. Oh, I feel so cool and adventurous.
Wow, that snow tunnel was crazy!
This ride's going so fast. Oh no, my fanny pack! Looks like our riders are enjoying themselves.
And you're probably wondering how you can enjoy this ride as much as they do.
Cedar Point tickets cost $50 or more.
Six Flags tickets can reach up to $70.
But if you call right now, you can get tickets to the Polar Plunge, the only ride in the Bahamas, for only $9.99.
Keep in mind, while other parks may have 15 roller coasters or more, the Polar Plunge is the only one
in the Bahamas,
and the only one with an underground snow tunnel.
Call now and we will include an extra ticket, not for $10, not for $9.99,
but free.
Call now.